My name is Katja Weis, and I'm working for more than 13 years with Rösler as a sales and process engineer, and I'm responsible for the mint business worldwide. As you maybe know, the company Rösler is a world market leader in the surface finishing technology with over more than 80 years of experience. In our headquarter, or at our headquarter in Germany, we have around about 900 employees and worldwide 1,500. Surface finishing is our DNA. In my presentation today, I would like to give you an insight into Rösler polishing and surface finishing technology and show how they are applied in demanding industrial environments. These technologies only create value when they are applied in real industrial processes. Let's therefore take a look to our focus industries. Rösler operates in several industries where surface quality, reproducibility, and process reliability are critical. Our core focus industries are the medical industry, the aerospace, the defense, and of course the mint industry. Also, the applications differ significantly. All of these industries share very high requirements in terms of surface integrity, precision, and consistency. To illustrate this in more detail, I would like now to focus on one specific industry, the mint industry, of course, why we are all here today and the next days. In the minting industry, surface finishing of minting dies play a key role in ensuring coin quality, to lifetime, and reproducibility. Nowadays, the production of minting dies is still a complex, time-intense, and costly process, which requires several grinding and polishing steps that are mostly done manually. In the following part of my presentation, I will show how controlled polishing processes can significantly improve surface quality while maintaining tight dimensional tolerances. Here at the picture, you can see our compact track finishing machine, our R4700 machine, a technology that allows us to control material removal and surface quality with a very high level of precision. In this case study, we are using the track finishing process in a two-step process, a wet and a dry process. But it's also possible, it's depending on the raw part quality, you can also process this in a dry process, as in a one-step process. And in that machine, this is a 4-spindle machine, and you have the possibility to process up to 3 dies per working spindle. In total, 12 dies are possible. The first step is a fine grinding by using a plastic media. This is for the wet process. The time, it's depending on the raw part, from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. This step followed by the dry process with our corn cob media to get a high gloss mirror finish surface. The processing time here, it's also depending, but it's from 10 to 30 minutes. So you have a total processing time of a maximum of 60 minutes. And in the best way, you can process 12 pieces in that machine in 1 hour. Here you can clearly see the improvement in surface roughness. We start with a surface roughness of an RA value of 0.5 microns. After the wet polishing process, the first step, the fine grinding, we achieve an RA value of 0.03 microns. And as a final, we achieve, after the polishing, dry polishing, and an RA value of 0.01 micron. This is not only a visual improvement, it is fully measurable and repeatable. Depending on the required throughput and part geometry, we offer different track finishing machine types. From our R2700 to R4700 track finishing machines, this means this is a 2-spindle machine and a 4-spindle machine, up to our R61000 track finishing machine. This is our 6-spindle machine. While track finishing is ideal for defined material removal, there are applications where even higher surface quality and much more shorter cycle times are required. This brings us to the last picture, to our multi-surface finishing machine. Next level finishing for high precision parts. Here you can see a video for the processing. Here we have the FEMO parts. It's for the medical industry because the parts have really high requirements, are extremely sensitive. This is a 4-spindle machine, and you can treat 4 parts together, rotating of the working spindles with oscillating working movement. You can change the direction of the working bowl so to get the best processing of your part. Yeah, the media flows through the dedicated area, and also a full rotation of the working spindle is given. Most of the workpiece handling is done by an operator. It's really easy. The operator clamps the fixturing in the machine. It's a toolless system. But for this machine, you have also the possibility to do it automatically by a robot. And here the robot brings the parts into the machine. Yeah, for this compact machine for the surface finishing, it's a high level of automation, 50% shorter processing times, and yeah, it's a small footprint because of the plug-and-play solution. Yeah, here you can see a picture. On the left side, you can see our FEMO parts is for the medical industry. As you know, the parts for the medical industry have really high requirements, and they are extremely sensitive, and you need a high gloss mirror finishing without dust, without scratches on the surface. And we achieve this for the medical industries. On the raw part, we have an RA value of 1 micron up to an RA value after the 2-step process to 0.01 micron. And we can achieve this, or we do this really successfully in the medical industry, and we also can do this for the mints and for the dies. Yeah, for the mints, we have clear advantages over the manual polishing. We achieve excellent quality repeatability. We eliminate the polishing steps and increase a tool lifetime up to 20 to 30%. We have short cycle times, surface improvements for dies and coins, and a machine capacity up to 12 pieces for machine. For the 4-spindle machine or for the track finisher for the 61000, we have the possibility to process 18 pieces in the machine. In surface finishing, the quality of the final result is defined by the process. If we want consistent and reproducible results, we must therefore focus on the stability of the process itself. This is exactly the approach of Rösler Smart Solution. Rösler Smart Solutions are designed to support surface finishing processes with intelligent monitoring, data transparency, and process control. The goal is to reduce process variability and make surface finishing more predictable. One key element of Rösler Smart Solution is process monitoring, with a strong focus on the process water circulation system. More than 99% of finishing systems operate with a process water circulation system. In the past, monitoring and controlling water quality was often complex and required significant manual effort. With Rösler Smart Solutions, relevant parameters such as water quality and system status can be monitored continuously. This ensures stable process conditions, reduces fluctuation, and helps maintain consistent finishing results over time. As a result, the finishing process becomes more transparent, more controllable, and significantly robust, especially in high-quality applications such as minting. Depending on the application, Rösler Smart Solution System continuously monitor a wide range of key process parameters. These include, for example, compound concentration, the water hardness, pH value, conductivity, turbidity, and bacterial content. Together, these parameters provide a comprehensive picture of the current process, condition, and allow deviations to be detected at an early stage. In total, up to 13 different process parameters can be monitored depending on the system configuration. This enables stable process conditions, improved reproducibility, and a significantly reduced risk of quality fluctuations. For those of you who would like to explore this system in more detail, Rösler Smart Solution can be demonstrated and tested live at our booth. To conclude, surface finishing in the minting industry requires a combination of high precision, efficient processing, and full process monitoring or transparency. By combining proving finishing technology with intelligent process monitoring, Rösler enables stable and reproducible results, even for the most demanding minting applications. High precision to protect fine details and geometry, improved processing time through stable and controlled processes, and advanced process monitoring by Rösler's patented Smart Solutions system.